Hello, I told you last video that we're gonna talk about shoot system now, and I keep my word. So the function of the shoot system is to help transport water and minerals and provide structural support. That's it. The shoot system literally just helps transport water and minerals and provide structural support. And then its structures are nodes that is what's on the plant, and that's where like leaves, flowers, and branches grow out. And then apical bud has apical meristem, which, if we remember, the apical meristem is what Okay, I don't remember what's apical meristem. Right, apical meristem is what allowed plants to grow deep underground, and it does mitosis in it. So the apical bud has apical meristem tissue where the plants grow taller. So the apical meristem, and apical meristem is what it helps makes the plant grow taller and does mitosis in it. So. And nodes are also just where the places go on, and the structure of the shoot system is to transport water and mineral and provide structural support. So next are leaves, and so leaves do gas exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide, and it's the main source of photosynthesis. So leaves does gas exchange between carbon dioxide and oxygen, and it's the main site of photosynthesis. And its structure is chloroplast that does the photosynthesis. So leaves has chloroplast that does the photosynthesis. And then the upper epidermis is what provides protection. And then vascular bundles carry water and nutrients throughout the plant. So upper epidermis provides protection, and then the vascular bundles carry water and nutrients throughout the plant. And stomata are little openings in the leaves that allow gas exchange. And then lower epidermis has most of the stomata, and the stomata is the one that has little openings that allow gas exchange. And then the cuticle is a waxy layer that is made of cutin that reduces water loss. The mesophyll are cells that are found inside leaves that has most of the chloroplast. So once again, leaves does gas exchange and does photosynthesis. Structure has chloroplast that does the photosynthesis. Upper epidermis provides for protection. Vascular bundles carry water and nutrients throughout the plant. Stomata are little openings that allow gas exchange. Lower epidermis have the most stomata, and then cuticles a waxy layer that is made of cutin that reduces water loss, and mesophyll are cells inside the leaf that has most of the chloroplast. And then finally, the adventitious leaves. So the adventitious leaves are instead conifers that live inside the environments, and they live in environments where it's hard to get water. So adventitious leaves are conifers that live in environments where it's hard to get water. Leaves are needles that have smaller surface area and sunken stomata, and it has waxy coating, and this helps reduce water loss. So leaves are needles that have smaller surface area, waxy layer, sunken stomata, and more surface area. Okay, smaller surface area, sorry. So, and the waxy coating helps reduce water loss, and it has smaller surface area and sunken stomata. And then cacti live in dry deserts, and their leaves, instead of leaves, are spines that have less surface area to lose little water, so less stomata, so less water is given, and thick waxy cuticle to protect water inside, since there's no water in the desert, so how else can they stay hydrated? So they have a more sunken, thick waxy cuticle and less stomata. So yeah, so cacti has less stomata and more more sport, right? No, they have less surface area and they have a thick waxed cuticle. So thick waxed cuticle, less stomata, and surface area. And then next we have spines, and they reduce evaporation and provide protection. So pitcher plants live in a place where the soil has little nutrients. Thus, their leaves traps the insects and then breaks down the insect nutrient and absorbs it just for extra nitrogen, which is basically nutrients. So spines reduce evaporation and provides protection, and the pitcher plants live in a place where the soil has little nutrients. Thus, their leaves trap the insects and then breaks down the insect's nutrients and absorbs it. So yeah, the pitcher plants live in a place where their soil has little nutrients, so they just rely on insects. Okay, any questions? Comment down below. I'll be sure to answer them. And toodles!